Hey everybody, back for the second round of the Core 2019. And, okay, the first half was okay. But the second half, let me tell you what. Second half, I think we're going to do better. I feel it. I feel like we're going to have a better group of cards. Maybe. Maybe. That's a yeah. Okay. All right. Let's just okay. Let's restart. Let's look at this again. We have a better opportunity than we did from the first set of cards because I feel better. I feel better about this. All right. Let's get that. All right. Let's get ourselves back in a better state of mind. All right, let's do this. All right, yep. Lightning Mare, Vine Mare. We got some mares. Ooh, we got the mares. And the Dijon of Wishes. Okay. All right. Oh, and another foil rare. It's copy. Cool. You know, that's not a bad card, considering there's some cards with this new Ravnica Allegiance set that are definitely going to benefit from having cards that can create those types of copies. All right, we got this? All right, cool. Let's find something else that's really good. How about a couple more lightning strikes? Why is it so hard to find lightning strikes? You know? Oh, a Cleansing Nova. Okay. That's a good card. Actually got another one of those. In our first box opening. So that's not bad. Probably put those two together and try to make a nice little deck that has our Cleansing Novas in it. Angel of Dawn, superb. Okay, now let's look for things that can help us. Oh, you know what we haven't found? Shocks. We need shocks. Exclusive remains not bad. Oh, there we go. There's a Vivian Reed, baby. Yes, that's what we were looking for. All right, this is what I'm gonna have to do from now on. I'm gonna have to start one half, stop, go and do a second part because it seems like the second group of packs is definitely just so much better. Vivian Reed, thank you so much. That is a wonderful, wonderful card. Oh, Vivian, you are just so cool. It's always nice to see Planeswalkers just in general, but whenever you see something like that, you know, you're just, I don't know, just makes you so much more happier about life. Anticipate's not too bad. Not too bad. Let's see here. Come on. Where are the shocks? Where are the lightning strikes? I'm trying to make a mono red burn deck. Just trying to put it all together. There's a spirit. Come on, something good. Ah, Laughless. All right. We have a couple of those. Wall of Vines. All right. Let's put that with the commons. Actually, that's my third Laughless, because the last time I picked up my other box, I got two of those. I actually got a foil Laughless, which was pretty good. I was not complaining about that. Alright. So now, I'm feeling good about this second part. Electrify. Okay. Still not a shock. Rise from the Grave. Heroic Reinforcements. Okay, come on, something good. Hungering Hydra. Ooh. Yeah. We can use that. I like it. Oh, and another foil. Foil uncommon. When you're dealing with those green decks, I guess you can use that. Cool. All right, so we got a Vivian Reed out of it. Not bad. One thing we're looking for, we could use, obviously, Nicol Bolas. something along those lines. There's another thud. I'm good with a thud. I'm gonna have to use that thud. I have something I want to use that for. Knightly Valor and a Thorn Lieutenant. Okay. That's a decent card. Not bad. 2 cost, 2/3. Has some good synergies. Elf type decks can work pretty well with it. So again, with this set, after I open this, I'm going to be heading back to play with my brothers, and I'm going to put some stuff together. It's going to be awesome! I'm looking forward to it. So much fun. Hopefully the weather holds up, because it's still snowing out there. I'm going to probably just wait till it stops snowing. There's another thud. Okay, I think that makes 4 thuds. And, sure. Patient Rebuilding. Cool. Yeah, that's not a bad card. I have a couple of those now, so I can probably use those. So yeah, we got the, gosh. Just gotta go up from here. First half of this opening wasn't the best. I mean, I still had fun with it. Still cannot find... I don't know, did I run into any shocks while I was... when I did the first half? I don't know. Graveyard. Yeah. Detection Tower. Sure. That's kind of cool if you're playing against somebody who has stuff that has hexproof. Johnny's Primate, that is a good card. Very good card. We're going to definitely use him. I think that's a him. I think so. I don't know. But let's get some other good stuff. Let's get some other good stuff before we run out of packs. Anticipate. Alright. Okay, let's get another... I wasn't looking for Rogue's Gloves, but sure. And an Elvish Clankcaller. Okay, that's a good one. That's not a bad card. Anything good? Nothing. Okay. Clankcaller's good. I like it. We'll have to look for the opportunity to use elves, elvish creatures to make an awesome deck. You never know. I can't believe I have not got a shock this whole time. If anyone saw a shock, please let me know. I'll have to look through these again. Oh! Gutter Snipe. Yeah, we were looking for a couple of those. That's not bad. That's a really good mono red card, especially for burn decks. And then yeah. That's awful. Just such a bad card. Oh my gosh. Alpine Moon. Yikes. I don't even know what to say about that. That just... Why? Why did they make that card? It's like you have to be playing against somebody who is playing. I don't even know what the heck they could be playing. I mean, there's stuff they could be playing. It'd have to be modern, obviously, because nothing like really in the standard set works. I don't know. I'm just at a loss here. Oh, there's a shock. Finally, jeez, oh man. Armor. That's a cool card. We'll have to use something like that. Suspicious bookcase. Oh, another primate. Good. All right, come on, something good. Gigantosaurus. Sweet. Oh, yeah, Gigantosaurus. That's our second one. I got that one in my first box opening as well, which was kind of cool. I'm messing up my cards now. Okay. So we're down to five packs. And I'm happy to see the Vivian Reed. I am really happy to see the Vivian Reed. have another one of those, and I think I can use it for some cool stuff. But honestly, we need... make a stand. No. Mirror image. Yeah, that can be used. It's not bad. Bugler. All right. And prodigious growth. Yowza. All right. We have 4 packs. Anybody have any thoughts on what we're going to get at the end? Are we going to get a nickel bolas? Can we get a nickel bolas? That's the wrong way. Oh, fire elemental. Oh my gosh. Any shocks? Nope. Nope. Fiery finish. Okay. Fountain of renewal. Yeah. Dismissive pyromancer. Yeah. That's... yeah. Nope. Not good. Not good. The good thing is, I guess from my perspective, where I'm at in my situation, current situation, is that I have 2 dogs here that I'm watching. One's mine, the other one's my girlfriend's, and they are both sleeping. Super. Sure strike. Cancel. Sure. Come on. Let's get something, I don't know, that I would use. Come on, something good. Sun cleanser. Oh, the counters. So, again, I was saying this before, with the new set, counters are going to be a big deal. Sun cleanser actually works out pretty good with that. When you can remove people's counters, that helps your cause. Remove them counters, especially for something that can adapt, like 3 or 4 or something. Yeah, it can be pretty good. Smelt. Druid of the Count. That's not too bad. Alright, so let's get a lightning strike. Let's get a lightning strike. Why am I putting them there? Oh my gosh. I am putting these in the wrong piles because I'm just having a time. And metamorphic alteration. Again, copy. You can copy. Oh, look at that. Cinder Barons. Foil. Oh my gosh. Looks so beautiful. Alright, here we go. Last pack. And we're going to try to get... Alright, so we're going to really use a lot of good karma. And we're going to cross our fingers. We're going to do all those things that give us good luck. I have a rabbit's foot somewhere. I don't know where. But! He's a rabbit's foot. Come on. Let's go through this real quick, real slow. Goblin Instigator. That's not what I want. Oxidon. No. No. Shock. And Duress. Like billions of those. Okay. Luminous Bonds. It's useful. The Lead Litter. Didn't get another shock. Darn it. Okay. 3 more creatures. Gets 1/1 to under turn, and I gain 1 life. Okay, Citrus Supplier's not bad. I'm not going to ever complain about Citrus Supplier. And a Sift. Let's see what we got under here. Rare green. Goreclaw. Creature spells you cast with 4 or greater cost 2 less to cast. Well, we can use him. Cool. All right. Cool. So I guess when we've boiled it all down to the ground, Vivian Reed was the best card that we got. Definitely. The second card that was good was Chromium, the Immutable. So there's Vivian. So she's a little off-center. And then Chromium, not bad. I'm okay with that. What does it say? Discard a card until end of turn. Chromium becomes. Oh, that's right, because you can discard the card and then people can't target him. Okay. And it can't be blocked. Neat. All right, cool. So that's what we got in our last box for a little while anyway. And, we'll see how things go from here. So thanks, everybody, for watching. Really appreciate it. Like, subscribe, share if you want to. I just hope that everybody enjoyed the content here. That's the whole idea. But I hope everybody has a wonderful rest of their day. Take it easy. And we'll see you again soon. All right, everybody. Later.